without a
Thinking
doubt.
up, are we cursing? Are we yelling? Are we calming down? Are we sleeping on it? Are we apologizing the next day? Are we saving Christmas and Thanksgiving dinners? Are we taking things into consideration? Are we being humble? Are we willing to prioritize? My goodness gracious, people are so ultimatum based and one and dones and giving you options where there's nobody wins.
Yeah, that's why. I mean, in my life, I'm CFO of a manufacturing company, so I had a lot of meetings where you had to come to the table, and when you come to the table, you both want to walk away with a smile on your face. Right. Somebody's gonna have a smile, but it's not really the smile that they want to have. It's a lot of compromise. Life is compromise, so you do the best job that you can. You make the best deal that you can. You put yourself out there to get another day's work done, feed another mouth, help another family, right, and make sure that everybody in some way has something that they can take back with them and be happy about.